Welcome to Doon Business School, a legacy of one of the India's premier business schools, now shaping the business leaders of tomorrow. Here, the environment is built for business studies, the best curriculum, accomplished faculty members, deep industry connect, all on a boutique residential campus set in a lush green environment. So, a BBA-based specialization begins in year 1 with 4 functional majors and 7 super specialization tracks, from FinTech to digital marketing to business analytics. So, there are 20 micro value-added credentials are built into the program. Advanced Excel, Alteryx, Power BI, SAP Build, financial modeling, design thinking, negotiation, digital marketing tools, and many industry-recognized certificates. From semester 2, every student works with agentic AI on the SAP platform and runs a live company on SAP ERP Sim, the world-class business simulation from HEC Montreal, Canada. Go global with 50 partner universities across 20 countries, including twin country immersions with BBA Global. With a 100% placement record and 400 plus recruiter every year, your career is shaped from day one. Scholarships up to 90% based on your CUT percentile and class 12 mark. Apply now. Admissions are open at Doon Business School, Dehradun.